Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We'll be making a delicious and colorful dessert called Zarda. Zarda is a sweet, fragrant rice dish that's often served on special occasions. It's not only tasty but also a feast for the eyes. So, let's get started. Holding up each ingredient. 1 cup Basmati rice. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/4 cup ghee, clarified butter. 1/4 cup mixed dry fruits. Almonds, pistachios, cashews, and raisins. A pinch of saffron threads soaked in 2 tablespoons of warm milk. 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder. A few drops of edible food color, orange and yellow. 2-3 cloves. A small piece of cinnamon. 2-3 green cardamom pods. Let's start by rinsing the rice thoroughly and then soaking it in water for about 30 minutes. This will help the rice cook evenly. In a large pot, I've already melted some ghee. Now, I'll add the cloves, cinnamon, and green cardamom pods to infuse their flavors into the ghee. Now, we'll add our soaked and drained rice to the pot. Gently sauté the rice in the ghee for a couple of minutes. Add 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Bring it to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare our sugar syrup. In a separate pan, add the sugar and just enough water to cover it. Stirring. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for a few minutes until it forms a syrup. Now, let's add our saffron milk and a few drops of orange and yellow food coloring to the syrup. This will give our Zarda its vibrant colors. Add the cardamom powder and our mix of dry fruits. Keep stirring until everything is well combined. Our rice is perfectly cooked. It's time to add the flavored sugar syrup to the rice. Pour the syrup over the rice, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Gently mix it in. Now, let's let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes on low heat, allowing the flavors to melt and the rice to absorb the syrup. Our Zarda is ready. It's aromatic, colorful, and full of flavor. Taking a bite. It's absolutely delicious. You can garnish it with a few extra dry fruits and saffron strands. Zarda is often served at weddings and special occasions, and it's a fantastic way to end a meal. Thank you for joining us today in making this wonderful Zarda recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes. Feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Until next time, happy cooking!